Good morning to one and all. Myself, Dr. A. Jagadambal, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College, Coimbatore. Today we discussed about the cost and management accounting. What is meant by cost? Cost is nothing but expenses of the particular company. How to manage the particular account? It is a recording and analyzing all the expenses, how to spend the particular company. There are many merits of the cost accounting. But it is included in the demerits of what are all the demerits of the cost accounting. First thing is cost accounting is the have the some certain limitations, because anything and everything we apply that definitely merits and demerits involved in the particular thing. So what are all the demerits of cost accounting? First one is only the based on estimates. Only the estimation basis cost accounting we are finalized, we are charged. Indirect cost are not charged fully in the product or process, because in that cost accounting we are the calculate the opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock, and then add direct material, direct labor and direct charges. All these things we are added, but we are not included in the all the indirect cost in the particular process or product productions. So this is the main limitations of the cost accounting, because it is a indirect cost is not fully added. Sometimes they added the percentage level, or sometimes added in the particular amounts only. Some few of the amounts are we are skip the particular amount. So it is the main drawback of the particular thing. Second one is lack of uniformity, because other accounting maintenance are all the same for all the company they are following, but in that cost and management accounting we follow the each and every company, that is the different organizations, they follow the different method, because they way of productions, they way of purchasing raw materials and all these things, it is differ from one to another. So the uniformity is differ from one to another. That is the main demerits of the cost and accounting. Then next one is many conventions. Many conventions is nothing but there are classification of cost, that is the direct cost, indirect cost, direct labor, direct material, indirect labor. So it is the classification of the cost. Some of the fixed cost, some of the variable cost, because variation of the particular cost. So it is the pricing of the material issues also differ from one to another. Then indirect cost also differ from one to another. So it is the marginal cost and standard cost. The cost is followed the various things, because many conventions involved in the cost accounting, because not only follow the one type of cost, because we take the labor means direct labor, indirect labor. We fix the cost means marginal cost, standard cost. So there are many conventions in the particular thing. So it is the main one of the demerits. Then next one is expensive. What is meant by expensive is nothing but we are maintaining the cost accounting means definitely it is the more expensive of the particular company, because only the knowledge persons only they can maintain all the records of the different purpose, because each and every accounts is not added in the particular cost accounting, but it is differ from the many conventions. So because only the specialized person only maintain the particular accounting, so it is the cost accounting is the expensive. Next one is result requires reconciliations. Some cost accounting may be differ for as activity, because we are included in the particular things, the different types of cost, that is direct labor, direct material, indirect labor, indirect material, standard cost and marginal cost. All these things are involved in the particular cost accounting. Some information required for the differ from the some activity. For example, we are fixing the price, we are find out the profit of the particular price, means definitely we compare the what is the marginal cost, what is the standard cost. So it is the result required for the reconciliation. It is the one of the demerits of the cost accounting. Next one is dependent. Dependent system of accounting, it depends on the other accounting system. It is not an independent system, because cost accounting is not an independent system, it is a dependent only. It is based on the financial accounting, it is dependent one. So one of the demerits. Then next one is does not include all items of expenses and income. In that cost accounting, not included in the all the income and expenditure. For example, interest collections, financial charges, discount, loss on issues of shares and debentures, etc. These are all the examples for not included of the cost accounting things. Then not an exact science. Like other accounting system, it is not an follow the exact of the science, because only the developed by the theories and practices. Where it is from, we find out that only the theories and practices. In that we follow the, there are many limitations. Thank you all.